Welcome to Globe Motors Blackburn, the premier RAC approved used car dealer in the Northwest. Every vehicle we offer is carefully selected, professionally prepared, and comes with complete peace of mind as standard. All of our cars are RAC approved, meaning each one undergoes a full 82-point RAC approved inspection carried out by our own RAC approved technicians right here on the site. Every vehicle includes 3 months RAC warranty, 12 months RAC breakdown cover, and is fully HPI clear for your confidence. We take pride in delivering quality vehicles that you can rely on, with preparation standards that go above and beyond. At Globe Motors Blackburn, it's not just about selling cars, it's about making sure you drive away with total confidence. Here we have a smart 2014 Range Rover Evoque 2.2 SD4 PureTech, finished in Santorini Black. This diesel automatic four-wheel drive SUV has only covered 73,436 genuine warranted miles, and it comes with full Forza mileage history. Service documents indicate that the Cambelt has been replaced, which is a big reassurance on one of these. A free full service will be carried out prior to purchase, as well as a brand new MOT, all carried out by our RAC approved engineers here at Globe Motors Blackburn. The features list is strong for a PureTech. The panoramic glass sky lounge roof with electric sliding sunblind makes the cabin feel brighter and more open, while the Meridian surround sound gives you a proper premium audio setup. Front and rear parking sensors also make everyday parking and manoeuvring much easier. Other highlights include side steps, wireless phone charging, touchscreen system, satellite navigation, Bluetooth audio, cruise control, electronic handbrakes, dual zone climate control, ambient interior lighting, automatic headlights, daytime LED running lights, heated front leather seats, paddle shift controls, 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels with red brake calipers. For extra peace of mind, this Evoque comes with 2 remote central locking keys, a free RAC approved 82-point inspection with quality assurance certificate, 3 months RAC parts and labour warranty, and 12 months RAC breakdown cover. Customers can also inquire about our amazing RAC extended warranty covers, giving you extra long-term peace of mind. If you're looking for a vehicle that has been prepared to the highest standards, then this is one not to miss. Here at Globe Motors Blackburn, all of our vehicles are displayed in our purposely adapted indoor showing room, allowing you to view all of our stock comfortably, whatever the weather. We offer a full range of finance options tailored to suit you, and every vehicle is presented by our RAC approved team, ensuring the highest levels of quality and preparation throughout. If you're not local, we also offer nationwide delivery and can provide a full remote walk around via WhatsApp, so you can view the vehicle in detail from wherever you are. For more information, to reserve this vehicle or to arrange a test drive, get in touch with our team today. Globe Motors Blackburn. Quality vehicles prepared properly.